Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today I have 9 odds for you. Let's get started. The first game we have here is a game in the Island Division where Shamrock Rovers is taking on Shelbourne, and my prediction is over 0.5 goals for the home team. The next one is still in that same league where Galway United is taking on Dundalk, over 0.5 goals. Then we have a game in Island Lower Division where Cork City is taking on Treaty United, home team win. Next one, still in that same league, Derry City taking on Sligo Rovers, home team win. Then we move on to Singapore, where Balestier Kerat is taking on Taiping FC, and my prediction here is a away team to win at full time. We move on to Sweden, where Malmo is taking on Kalmar, Malmo win at full time. Elfsborg taking on Hamstad, home team win at full time, which is Elfsborg still in Sweden. Then the next one we have here is in Girona taking on Granada, and my prediction is Girona to win at full time. Girona, you find Girona in Spain La Liga. So that is all I have for you today. The next game we have is in the VIP. So if you want to join our VIP, kindly chat me on WhatsApp. My subscription is available, affordable for everyone to participate. So I will see you guys there, and then remember to bet responsibly. Thank you.